In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Base44 project in Cursor. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can move your project from Base44 into Cursor and make sure the AI has the right context to work with your code effectively. First, head over to Base44 and sign into your workspace if you haven't already. Once you're inside the platform, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This is where you'll see the projects available in your workspace, and it makes it easier to locate the one you want to work with. Next, select the project you want and open the app. Make sure you're opening the correct project before exporting anything, especially if you have several similar apps in your workspace. Taking a second here can save you time later. Once the app is open, go to the top menu and click Export Project as zip. This will download a copy of your project files to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the zip file may go straight into your downloads folder or another default location, so if you don't see it right away, check there. After the zip file has finished downloading, extract all of the files. This step is important because Cursor needs access to the actual project folder, not the compressed zip version. When you extract the contents, place them somewhere easy to find like your desktop or a dedicated projects folder. That makes opening and managing the project much easier. Once your files are extracted, go into Cursor and open that project folder. From there, pay attention to the chat box in Cursor, because this is where you'll help the AI understand your project better. In the chat box, include the relevant project context from Base44 so Cursor can understand how your app connects with the backend. This matters because that context helps the AI understand the structure and behavior of your application rather than just seeing a collection of files without knowing how they work together. In other words, you're giving Cursor the background information it needs to assist you more accurately. When that context is included, the AI will recognize it immediately and be in a much better position to help you edit, debug, or extend the project. That means faster suggestions, more useful code help, and fewer misunderstandings about how your app is set up. And that's it. Once your Base44 project is exported, extracted, opened in Cursor, and paired with the right context in the chat box, you're ready to start working.